What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. How are you guys today? It's a lovely day and I'm here. And you're there. What you guys up to? It's a bit early. It's like after 9. I call after 9 being early. I don't want to be awake this early. But I have an early day today. How did you guys like my last vlog? Did you like the whole type cinematic effect that I did to it? You know, I'm a little snap change type thing. Whip out the camera and started vlogging. I'm gonna see if I can make an ordinary day into an interesting one, just like the last vlog. So that's the plan. I don't know what can happen or how I can make it look. See, it's a beautiful day. Are you guys seeing the sky? Look. Oh, you want me to come out of the frame? Oh, sorry. See, it's a beautiful day. The sky is blue, the sun's out, the trees are green. I see skies of blue. I'm feeling... I don't remember the song, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm waiting on a bus, so while waiting on a bus, I figured I'd just take a walk, you know, jump up on something. Or not. That's it for this little prologue. Let's start my day. Whew. So you guys don't know what I got here? Alright, let's reverse.
Buzz up, someone told me keep that buzz up when you fall. No one cares about your plummet. Got this feeling in my stomach, I can't even describe it. Watch my numbers come up, critics can't even define it. Whoa, never change up, never sold out. Devil trying to get my soul, cause that fame eating at me lately. Back to life, man, get control. Get a hold of what's worth holding in that meal, like get a grip. You've got too much to accomplish just to give up on all this. Hold up, remember back then when it tore me down. When it tore me down, I was feeling all alone, and now I rock a freaking crowd. It was all about to change my life and I ain't know it. Grab that.
Hope you guys enjoyed that little reverse effect thing I did. I don't know if it worked out properly, but I hope it did. Well, I'll be back later. Guys, I'm back. I think I'm gonna play a game of pool a little bit. And yeah, that's the plan now. Let's get to it.
That paper, light my room up in that moment. I found God inside these walls. Swear that this my mission. If I only change one life, well then God, I think I did it. No, not perfect, get that clear. I'm just writing how I feel. My heart always on my sleeve. Just look at me, this blood is real. Yeah. Buzz up, someone told me keep that buzz up when you fall. No one cares about your plummet. Got this feeling in my stomach, I can't even describe it. Watch my numbers come up. No handouts, I stayed up grinding, no patience, why don't they sound him? His voice is so monotone, overrated with no style. Read your comments, I worked hard to build that fan base from my basement. Got bigger than envisioned, mama, I might actually make it. Made it out of town, they said no one could make it out alive. I know I am way too driven just to get that 9 to 5. Don't waste my time, I've had this plan. I don't think they understand the hours I was riding just to finally turn some heads. I became the voice for broken people, we're the same, everyone's equal. If this world was perfect, there would be no evil. Industry is trash, so here I am, make a change, I know I can.
That concludes our pool game, guys. So I'm off to do stuff, and I'll be back later to finish the day. I think I'm gonna finish the day with the sunset. So that's the plan. See you guys later. You don't know the artist I drop a 1-2 tune, you see? I'm hungry, so I'm trying to get some food.
These ladies, if they never want to go in the store with a bag of perfume and bag and all of them, something better.
And all these things, the food may I try to get anyone come by. Buying food. You're sitting. I'm standing. I'm sweating. Now hold this while I pay.
He's gonna pay for his food. Does this actually move? It kind like it's moving up.
Make it rain!
That's really not a lot of money, but anyways, whatever.
Now what? So guys, that concludes the vlog for today. I think I'm gonna end it with a sunset. Hold it. So take a look. So guys, I remember I said I wanted to give you guys the sunset. Completely forgot. Didn't get a chance. And I decided I'm gonna give you guys the sunrise instead. Oh, don't forget, subscribe, like. That's WannabeMatt. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Yeah, thank you guys for the support. This is taking longer than this is taking longer than I thought. Oh, it's still early. We have like 7 minutes, but we're gonna catch this sunrise together. Me and you. Cue music and time-lapse sequence. What's up guys, it's your boy WannabeMatt, back at it again with a new video. So today I thought I'll try something. Wait, where's my gas?